Assalamu alaikum, students of class 10. I am Belal Ahmed Khan, assistant teacher, biology, Ideal School and College, English version, Motizil. Students, today I am trying to explain chapter 8, excretory system and excretion, and their activities, how excretory system of human works in human body, how excretion occur, etc., etc. So students, pay your attention. First of all, I am trying to explain excretion and excretory systems. Excretion and excretory system is a most important physiological process of human body. First of all, students, trying to copy the question, a creative question. At the end of the class, you can answer this question properly. At the end of the question, at the end of the class, you can answer the question properly. Okay. The first question is, what is excretion? What is excretion? And then what does excretory system mean? What does excretory system mean? And number C, draw a complete diagram of mentioned system. Draw a complete diagram of mentioned system with leveling. And the D number question is, explain the importance of mentioned system in human life. Explain the importance of mentioned system in human life. So this is the most important physiological functions because it regulates water balance and excrete nitrogenous waste products and harmful substance from the body, and it's purify bloods and so on. For this reason, it is an important organ or system of human body. First of all, try to answer the question properly. First of all, try to answer the question properly. Excretion. See your textbook. There is a definition of excretion. What is excretion? Answer of a question is excretion, the biological process through which the biological process through which harmful nitrogenous waste products nitrogenous waste products produced by metabolic activities are removed from the body, is excretion. What does metabolic activities mean? What does metabolic activity? The activity that helps in production of energy and production of nitrogenous waste products, etc., is metabolic activities. The biological process through which harmful nitrogenous waste products produced by metabolic activities are removed from the body is excretion. So excretory system, the system that are interrelated with each other. The system through which nitrogenous waste products are excreted from the body is excretory system. What does excretory system mean? The definition is excretory system, the system through which nitrogenous waste products are excreted from the body is excretory system. The system are interrelated with some activities. With the help of kidney, all the activities are done by human body. First of all, we are trying to explain different parts of a kidney or different activities of kidney, how excretory system and excretion or excretory products are produced. First of all, kidney. Kidney is an important organ of human body. All the activities of excretory system mainly complete with the help of this organ is known as kidney. Kidney important because it produces nitrogenous waste products and filtrate our blood. Kidney, the another name of kidney or another part of kidney or internal parts of kidney are known as uriniferous tubules. Uriniferous tubules. Uniferous tubules, there are different types of tubules are there inside the kidney. These tubules are generally known as uriniferous tubules. Uriniferous tubules are mainly of two parts. One of them is nephron, another one is collecting tubules. One of them is nephron and another one is collecting tubules. Nephron and collecting tubules are two parts of a uniferous tubule. So kidney divided into two parts, nephron and collecting tubules. Nephron is the main part of the kidney that helps in production of nitrogenous waste products, and collecting tubules are another part of the kidney that absorb or collect nitrogenous waste products. So nephron is also another important part of our kidney. Now, nephron are of two types or two pairs. Renal capsule and renal tubules are two parts of nephron. There are mainly two parts of nephron. When you draw, you can identify the different part. Renal capsule, renal capsule, renal capsule, a covering part, and another part is renal tubule, renal tubules. Renal tubules, capsule part and the tubule part are two main part of a nephron. Capsule part filtrate and renal tubules part transport and collect nitrogenous waste products inside the kidney. Renal capsules mainly divided into two parts. Renal capsules mainly divided into two parts. Renal capsules mainly divided into two parts. One of them is glomerulus. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule are two parts of renal capsule. One of them is glomerulus, another one is Bowman's capsule. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule are two main part of the renal capsules. Inside the renal capsule, these two parts are situated. Glomerulus is the main part of arterial system. Glomerulus is the main part of arterial system inside the kidney. Two arterial systems are interrelated with the glomerulus. Two arterial system. One of them is efferent artery. Another one interrelated with the efferent artery. Two arterial systems are interrelated with this glomerulus. So glomerulus can be divided these two parts, efferent artery and another one is efferent artery. And renal tubules is the most important part for collecting and transporting different nitrogenous waste products and other substances. Other necessary and unnecessary substances can be transported or absorbed with the help of renal tubules. There are mainly three renal tubules are there. One of them is proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal convoluted tubules. Another one is Henle's lobe. In the middle part is Henle's lobe. Henle's lobe or lobe of Henle. Henle's lobe. And another one is distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted means zigzag pattern, not straight. It's convoluted. It's convoluted, not straight. Convoluted tubules. Distal convoluted tubules and proximal convoluted tubules are two tubules are there. Proximal and distal convoluted tubules are two tubules are two enlarged tubules. Convoluted means not straight, it's zigzag pattern. And Henle's lobe, the middle part of the proximal convoluted tubules and distal convoluted tubules. These are the main classification of the kidney or different parts of the kidney. Now students, I am trying to explain the different parts of excretory system. The system that interrelated, the system through which nitrogenous waste product produce or excrete from the body is excretory system. So now students, follow the system that interrelated with the excretion. First of all, these two kidneys situated the both side of the, these two kidneys are situated in the both side of the backbone, in the back side of the backbone. So excretion is the biological process. This process is accomplished with this part. Kidney is an excretory organ. That is why is a basic and important part. With this part, human bodies, all the unnecessary or nitrogenous waste products or different types of liquid harmful waste products are excreted from the body. Two blood vessels are interrelated with each other. One of them transfer or connected with the arteries. One of them connected with the arteries, and another one is connected with vein. Arteries and vein are two important parts interrelated with this. Now students, I am trying to explain write the different parts of the name of the organs of the excretory system. These one of them excreted nitrogenous waste products. Another one excreted another one also excreted nitrogenous waste transpired oxygenated blood. One of them transport the oxygenated blood. In this way they filtrate all the human blood with the help of the kidney. This is the part that interrelated with the artery and vein. There are mainly two blood vessels. Two blood vessels are connected with this. One of them connected with the artery, and another one also connected with these blood vessels. In this way, or with the help of these blood vessels, all the nitrogenous waste products filtrated and carbon dioxide enriched blood are transferred from kidney to different part of the kidney to heart for filtration, for exchange of gases. Another way, oxygenated blood are transferred to the kidney. You know that all the part of human body are interrelated with the energy system. All the part are interrelated with the energy system. So without energy, no one can develop, transfer, activated or alive. For this reason, energy is necessary. With the help of this oxygenated blood, it transfer oxygenated blood to the kidney for active or alive. Now I am trying to level the part of the kidney or excretory system. First of all, this is the kidney. I just write kidney, a bean-shaped part. There are mainly two parts. Outer part is cortex and inner part is medulla. Soft part is medulla. And the two blood vessels, one of them is renal vein, another one is dorsal aorta. I just write dorsal aorta. Dorsal aorta, the largest artery is dorsal aorta. It transfers oxygenated blood from heart to kidney. Another one is inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava or renal vena cava. It converted into inferior vena cava converted into renal vein. Renal vein. And dorsal aorta converted into renal artery. Renal artery transport oxygenated blood from heart to the kidney, and renal vein remove deoxygenated blood from kidney to the heart. These blood vessels are exchange oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from different part of the kidney to heart and heart to the kidney. And the part that initiate from the kidney is pelvis. And another one transfer to pelvis to or kidney to the urinary bladder. The name of the tube is ureter. This is the ureter. Ureter is the main part of transporting organ or tube of kidney and urinary bladder. The another name of ureter is a duct that transfer urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Duct, uriniferous tubules or ureter is a duct that transfer urine or nitrogenous waste product from kidney to the urinary bladder. This is known as urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a storehouse. It stores different nitrogenous waste products for a certain period of time. The another part is its controlling part is known as urethra. Its controlling part is urethra. Urethra is a last part of this excretory system. Its control transformation of excretion of urine from urinary bladder to outer part of the body. In this way, excretion and excretory system are complete in human body. Now, excretory products. The products that produce from this process is known as, the name of the figure is excretory system. Excretory system. It controls the exchange of nitrogenous waste products, transfer nitrogenous waste products, remove nitrogenous waste products from body to outer part. Now, excretory products are mostly nitrogenous waste products or urine. Human excretory products are expelled from the body as urine. So, first excretory product is urine. Urine is the first excretory product of human body. Urine is almost 90% of nitrogenous waste product is urine. 90% is almost 90%. Urine contain almost 90% water. Other components are urea, uric acid, creatinine, creatinine and different kinds of salts and different different salts are excretory product. Excretory product of human body. These are the excretory product of human body. Another important question for you: what is urochrome? Urochrome is another important question. The color of urine is light yellow due to the presence of pigment called urochrome. So a pigment named urochrome present in the excretory product. So what is urochrome? Urochrome is a color of the urine is light yellow due to the presence of this pigment. The name of the pigment is urochrome. So urochrome is a most important pigment for excretory product. In this way, you can explain these activities or excretory system. Excessive intake of protein is harmful because it produces huge amount of excretory product. Proteins increase the acidity of urine. So excessive protein is harmful because protein convert urine into acidic or increase acidity of urine. Just right, protein increase. So you have to be limit or control to intake protein food or proteinized food. Fruits and vegetables are generally make urine alkaline. So fruits and vegetables is good for health, is good for this excretory system. Fruits and vegetable good for excretory system, excretion or human body because it controls the acidic medium or acidic urine converted into alkaline. This is helpful for excretory system, is advantageous for excretory system and human body also. So you have to be intake fruits and vegetables available, and you have to be avoid excessive intake of protein substance or protein type of food. So students, I am trying to explain this excretory system, and tomorrow I will explain different parts of this process, internal structure of kidney, nephron, kidney stone, and importance of this process. So students, try to answer the creative question that I given and complete perfectly whatever you want. So students, try to complete the creative question and read the chapter 8 very carefully, and try to draw all the diagrams of the from the chapter 8. There are different diagrams are there from 8.1 to 8.6. all the diagrams you try to draw perfectly and completely, and try to answer this creative question today that was given today. So till then, Allah Hafiz. The next class I am trying to explain all the parts that was not described today. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.